Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new around here, hi, I'm Mackenzie. Today's video is so much fun because it is our Disney World travel day. I've talked a little bit about my trip in some of my previous videos, so be sure to go check those out. But my mom, my dad, my sister, and I are heading to Walt Disney World for my parents' 30th anniversary, and we leave today. I'm just feeling really excited to take this trip with my family and share it with you guys. So thank you so much for watching along. I think it's going to be a really fun one. I just cannot wait. It is currently 5:15 in the morning. Our flight leaves from kind of our local airport at around 7. We will be connecting to Orlando through Charlotte, North Carolina. I've talked about this before, but we have only a 49-minute layover. So we will see if we get there on time. That's really the only thing travel day wise I'm worried about. So we're just gonna keep good positive vibes. We're going to Disney World. That's all that matters. I am just so excited. When my family gets here, I will be sure to introduce you to everyone. We're all wearing matching Mickey and Gang t-shirts, so that's really fun. We're doing the whole little matching family thing, which is just hilarious and great, and I love it. I'm just waiting for my parents to come pick me up now to head to the airport, and then we will start this travel day. So sit back, grab some popcorn, maybe one of your favorite drinks, and let's head to Walt Disney World. All right, oh my gosh, we have made it to the airport. We got our matching sweatshirts for us. Mom and dad got their matching shirts. So that's my dad, Danny, mom, Dawn, sister, Madison. Oh, you didn't wave. Whoop, whoop. So it's Disney time. We're gonna head into the airport now. We are parked very far away, so, oh, there goes Madison. Anyway, we're gonna head into the airport, head through security, and we will check in with you guys when we make it in there, if we make it in there. Family vacation! We're back! Starts now! Okay, we've made it all through security successfully. Our flight leaves in what, like 23 minutes? Yeah. So we have a
right on time. Right?
Yeah, right on time. We have a really small local airport, so it's not crazy to get through security, about a 5-minute walk through. The only thing that takes long is the fact that we chit chat with the people there, so. We're stopping for a little vending machine. We're stopping We're stopping for a little vending machine drink before we head down to the gate. How are you feeling?
Very excited. I'm a little tired.
Just a little?
Just a little. But I'm excited.
Madison has graduated nursing school now.
And now I'm actually working.
And she works as a night shift nurse, so this is not her awake time.
I worked last night.
Oh. And they're still figuring out the vending machine. It's gonna be an interesting trip.
For sure.
If you watched our trip from last 2 Decembers ago, we all went to the Polynesian and stayed for 10 nights together. It got interesting. So this trip is gonna be equally, that was our relaxation. I don't know if this will be as relaxing, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. So
yeah, it's probably not gonna be what was our word last time?
Relaxation.
Yeah, it's probably not gonna be that.
This one's gonna be incredible, okay?
Incredible, yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be incredible.
Incredible.
Well, we're gonna head down to the gate. We will do a little travel montage because I do not think we're gonna have time to really film at our layover, which again, remember, is 49 minutes. So will we make it? Will we not? I guess we'll wait. You'll just have to wait and find out. So let's head to Orlando. Alright, so we have officially made it to Orlando. Somehow we missed like the beautiful entrance to the Orlando airport where we get to see the hotel and stuff, but it doesn't matter because we're here. We are heading to the Mears Connect now. If you don't know what the Mears Connect is, it's basically a transportation service that takes you from the airport directly to your Disney Resort hotel. We actually caught the Mears Connect at a discount, so for all of us, round trip, it was $120. So that's 4 adults. I think it's $15 each way. Sorry, I'm trying to navigate the escalators as well. So we're heading down there. It's out of Terminal B, I believe, and we're heading down a lot of escalators to get there. So we're almost there. We're here. Madison, how do you feel?
Excited.
So excited. It feels so good to just be in Orlando. It's hot. The sweatshirt is getting a little warm already, but here we go to the not Magical Express, Mears Connect. I gotta get that in my head. So the Mears Connect check-in is straight over there. We will get ready to get on the Mears Connect. I'm so excited. We got the fam here. We got our matching shirts on. We are ready. Y'all see something about the sign where we're staying? We're staying at the Contemporary. No, we're staying at the Contemporary for y'all's anniversary. The Contemporary Resort. Yes, we are. We're staying in the Contemporary. Yes, we are. We're staying at the Contemporary Resort, which you already know by the title, but this is a surprise for these two's anniversary.
You surprised?
I am surprised.
Are you
I'm, like,
excited?
shocked.
Are you surprised?
I don't believe it.
Well, we're gonna
Lot
get
laying
there,
there.
so I'm very, very excited. Okay, so we are on board the Mears Connect now. We literally walked right in. There was no one in any of the lines, and we're on a bus. I know that before, Madison and I and my fiance Bryce and I have experienced this. They wait until the bus is pretty full before they leave, and there are a couple stops on here. So it does take a little bit longer to get there. We just feel like it's more reliable than Uber, and usually it ends up being cheaper. When I came to surprise them on a trip one time, the Uber there, oh, you're getting AC. The Uber there cost me about $70 just for myself. Probably would be fine if we were splitting it, but it was very expensive. So we are heading to the Contemporary Resort, which
Hopefully they go alphabetically.
like I said, you guys already knew that from the title, but they did not. We did a little surprise upgrade for them for their 30th anniversary. So, Contemporary time! My dad is now over there looking up the restaurants at the Contemporary, I'm sure, to see what snacks and stuff he's gonna get. So we are going to try to keep track about how long it takes. I think we got on the bus at about 1:45.
Yeah,
so
I would say that.
it's been about 5 minutes. There's really not a lot of people coming, so it's just us. The bus is not full at all. So we'll keep track and just let you guys know exactly how long it takes, or if they really do wait to fill up the bus, because there's a lot of room. So we are just looking forward to, wait, I gotta show you guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got our magic bands on! We did not get new magic bands. These are just some of our old ones, but they do work still. This is from last August for Madison's, and this one's from last November for me. So we're very excited. We're gonna get our resort mugs. We're gonna check in. We're gonna see the incredible room. Incredible. Hence why we called this trip the Incredible Trip, to mess with them, and they had no clue. So we are going to head to the Contemporary now. We will check in and let you guys know exactly how long the Mears Connect takes. I know that's a lot of people's issue with it, maybe, is that it does take a little bit longer, but everyone's been super friendly. There's great AC. Madison, can you believe we're here? No, me either. I'm so excited. I'm just like,
I'm ready to get started.
me too. I'm like, now that we're in Orlando, I'm just ready to see our room, unpack a little bit, get our mugs, get a snack. We have not eaten at all today, and it is 2 p.m. Orlando time and 1 p.m. our time, so we're hungry. Anyway, that's gonna do it for right now. We're gonna enjoy our little ride around Orlando, and we'll check in with you guys when we make it to our resort. Here we are! Woo! Woo! So we have made it to the beautiful Contemporary. It took about an hour from when we left, we got on the bus, to us getting here. We did do 2 more stops before us. It was Port Orleans and Wilderness Lodge, and then so we came here. So only about an hour, not terrible, but we've made it here. We're going to pick up our groceries from Bell Service, and we were greeted by someone that just is gonna take our bags up to the room because our room is ready. It's exactly 3 o'clock, so we figured, here we are, the Contemporary. So beautiful. It smells so good.
Very contemporary.
All right, so we just got off the elevators. My family is already in the room, but I wanted to show you guys just how incredible this is. Literally incredible. This is our room right here. We have a lake view, so we're on this side, which means that we can see the monorail right down there. And look how beautiful this is. And the fact that our room is right here, literally looking out onto the monorail. Like, what is this? This is the coolest thing in the world. So I'm gonna walk into the room right now. We're in room 4614, if you wanna know. So here we go. I'm so excited. I'm scanning my magic band. It's not working. It's not working. We'll knock. Uh-oh, welcome to our crib. All right, let's start here at the closets. Mom, let's open these. Oh.
Oh, look how cute.
Oh, it's got the Incredibles, their super suits.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, and there's lots of storage here. We got 3 big cubbies, lots of hanging space, extra pillows, blankets, a steamer. That is nice. That is very nice. So these are the closets. Open this one up, Madison. Let's see what's in here. Just more storage.
Hair dryer.
And more cubbies down here. Oh, I like this. This is great.
Full-length mirror.
Oh, okay. Oh, full length mirror. Whoop, whoop. Oh yeah, I saw the Keurig.
A whole Keurig.
Oh, all the Keurig accessories. And then this must be the like beverage cooler down there. Yep. Okay, cool. Look, it's got like end of mode, like a glass here. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, heading into the bathroom now. Whoa, look at this monorail. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Double sinks, lots of space, and beautiful huge tub shower. The bathroom is separate. Oh, Madison's hiding in the bathroom. And open it up. Ta-da! So the bathroom's separate, which is really nice, and it's got this beautiful Jack picture here, which I think is so cool. Yeah. Now we're gonna head into the main space of the hotel room. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. So we have 2 queen size beds. We got a Frozone pillow, got an Edna Mode pillow, a cool like contemporary, no pun intended, couch here. We have welcome the Allen family up on the thing. We're here, we're incredible.
Yeah, mask.
I know, I like the mask detailing over here. And then, oh, look at this. Is this a lamp?
Yes.
Is it a lamp?
Fix our lamp.
Oh, there we go. We got a lamp. We got a nice table here.
Mackenzie.
What is this? It's the monorail on
Look at this lamp. This is the lamp I need.
on the lamp. There is a monorail. Wow.
I mean, it's like such a spot. Like
Yeah, it's perfect.
It gets its own thing.
This actually does pull into a 5th sleeper. I know that. We're not going to be using it, so we'll leave it as a couch because it looks great. Oh, that's nice. It's an extra seating. And the best part probably is going to be right out here. We're going to open it up. You can already kind of see our view. This is our view. We have a beautiful, huge balcony. We have Bay Lake Tower here. All of Disney at our, there's Epcot over there. You can see the Epcot ball kind of. You can see Swan and Dolphin. And then here are the pools. These are just the pools for the contemporary. I think Bay Lake has their own pool maybe, but the contemporary pools down here. Madison, thoughts?
So beautiful.
So beautiful.
And it's very like detailed.
Yeah, it's very different.
Like, look at these curtains.
Oh yeah, the curtains
They even have the Incredibles on them.
have the Incredibles on them, which is incredible. I will say this is unlike any hotel we've stayed in before. Even the Polynesian rooms, I would say, felt kind of more like all the other rooms we've stayed in. This is definitely themed and different. Wouldn't you say, Mom? Yes. It has really good theming. I mean, we're gonna feel like superheroes in this room. Madison's about to do superhero work at this table. This is gonna be our little vlog setup right here at this table.
Literally right here.
All week, so subscribe down below so you can see all of our late night vlog chats. But we're just waiting now. We dropped our luggage off with Bell Service and our grocery orders with Bell Service, so they're gonna be bringing that up to us soon. Madison, should we head to go get our like resort mugs and maybe a snack?
Yeah.
And then by the time we get back, it should be here so we can unpack, unwind, and get ready to go to the park because we're going to Magic Kingdom today. That will be in a separate video, but we're gonna continue on with our travel day because there's still lots to do. Favorite part of travel day is definitely probably getting my resort mug because it means it's here. It means it's time. So, oh my gosh, I could not believe we're here. Wow. We just got out of the room and we're heading downstairs to the front desk. Mine and Madison's magic bands do not work on our door, so we're gonna get that sorted out. And then we're getting our resort mug. Did I just hear Mickey? I think I just heard a oh boy.
Yeah.
He's everywhere. But this resort is so incredible. I know I'm gonna say that, it's gonna be like a joke every time because they're incredible rooms, but they're beautiful. And I cannot wait to get our resort mug. There's gonna be different ones in the 50th now.
Yeah?
So this is gonna be good because we got like 350.
Where's the elevator?
We got like 350th mugs, so we need new ones. So front desk we go. Okay, a quick 5-minute stop at the front desk and our magic bands are working. They just had to be like activated to our room. I guess since my mom was like the main account holder, that's what happened. So we're activated. We're heading to get our resort mugs. This is like my favorite part of the day. Okay, so we have lots of different options. This is a lot.
That wasn't hard to decide.
Okay, Madison's getting in the 100th. I kind of like these. These are like classic Mickey. Oh, Madison. What should I do? 100th or?
It's a classic.
You think?
You can never go wrong with
oh,
classic.
look, Madison. Just turn around.
Oh, no.
Just the monorail.
Just the monorail.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna decide, and then we're gonna get a refill, head to the room, and hopefully we can get up there and unpack. Madison has pointed out that they also have a purple lid, so then we could each have one with different color lids, which might be, I don't know. Okay, this is the hardest decision we've made.
You could do the candy corn Donald's.
No, no. All right, went with the 100th because of the top. It's like a pop top. Madison, I'm so happy you called that because I had the classic one in my hand with the like twist drink. So we got these. We're gonna get our refills now. We got a side of fries because we're hungry, and then we'll head back up to the room. But first Diet Coke of the trip, coming in hot. So Madison's picking up our order from right there, but quickly just wanted to show you guys all the options we have here. Just a bunch of snacks, little cupcakes. Ooh, they have like the yogurt I eat daily. Salads, fruit. But look at this beautiful mural behind you, Madison. I mean, can you believe this is where we're staying?
I love it.
I love it.
I can't wait to shop.
So let's head back up to the room and then unpack, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. We made it back to the room. Everyone is digging in on the plate full of fries that we got. It's got a nice little jazzy resort vibe in the background. Madison, you look asleep. Wake up, we got Magic Kingdom. Get ready. Our grocery order did show up with our bags too. Like I said in our like pack and prep with me, I talked about our order, but I'll go through it quick here. We got toilet paper, some water, little bottles of Sprite Zero, Coke Zero, just a couple snacks, Rice Krispie treats, Goldfish, family size Chex Mix. I don't know why I did that. And we also got some sunscreen somewhere. So, Dad, you ready?
I'm ready.
You enjoying your room so far?
I am.
Oh, you got your park bag
I
on.
got my park bag. I am ready to go.
I think now I'm just gonna get changed into a short sleeve shirt because it is very, very hot in the sweatshirt. And then we are gonna head to our first park, which is Magic Kingdom. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I feel like it's been full of a lot of fun, good stuff.
And French fries.
Yes, and great fries. We have loved the Contemporary so far. We've only been here for like 20 minutes, so we're very excited. Be sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already so you don't miss the rest of these vlogs that'll be coming really soon. Also follow us on Instagram because I should have a lot of content posted by the time all these vlogs are out. So thank you guys so much for watching and coming along on this travel day. I will see you very, very soon.